Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cello Gaming. Today I'm going to show you tips and tricks. Before I show you that, please subscribe my channel, share to your friends and comment on it below. Now let's get into the video. Tip 1. While you are building like this, the enemy is on you want to swap the guns, the enemy should not know you are swapping the guns. Keep emote and swap the gun. See, I'm using now a scar. See the trick, dragon stance. Now I'm with tactical SMG. This is the tip 1. Guys, please support me to buy a new PC. So now, tip 2. While you are going like this, build a floor like this and over there, edit it like this or like this. Don't edit it like this. So you can wait a minute. Yeah, you can do it like this. This is tip 2. Tip 3. While you are going like this, keep one floor and one floor on the top of us over here, and keep it like this. Now you can go. Tip 4. While you are going like this, keep floor over here up and down. Now you can go. See this. This is very easy. You should must know this. Tip 5. While you are going like this, keep a floor and a pyramid. Keep a floor over here and keep a ramp. Edit it like this. And you can go. This is very easy tips, guys. You must know this, guys. I'm telling you once again, please subscribe my channel, share to your friends and comment down below. And subscribe my brother's channel in the description below. Got it? Peace out.